Hello everyone, I'm from Natural Water Solutions. Today through online platform, I would like to share my views how 100 LPH RO water system work. Wait a minute, I would like to ask, do you know what is an LPH in a water plant? No? Then don't worry, I will tell you. In order to make a suitable choice as per demand, RO water system come in terms of measuring unit, that is LPH. LPH here means liter per hour, which simply means how many liters of raw water can RO water system purify. An 100 LPH water RO system can be used in various industries or sectors. For example, for the commercial purposes, it can be used in school, colleges, and other education institutes, restaurant and hotels. For industrial purposes and business purposes like corporate offices, manufacturing plants, pharmaceutical purposes, food and beverages, and many more. What does an 100 LPH RO plant can remove? It can remove all the contaminants including fluoride, lead, chlorine, chlorine, pesticides, nitrates, sulfates, detergents, and much more. How does a reverse osmosis remove the contaminants? This process is very simple and straightforward. It is accompanied by water pressure pushing tap water through a semi-permeable membrane just to remove the contaminants from water. This is a process in which dissolved inorganic solids are removed from a solution. This process differs from standard filtration where impurities are collected within the filter media. The reverse osmosis process pushes the water through a series of filters and ultimately clean the water goes to the holding tank and the contaminants are flushed down to the drain. Why to choose us? As as I take a great delight in introducing ourselves that we are the experts in RO water plants and all kinds of water treatment solutions. We design and customize the commercial and industrial plants from 25 LPH to 50,000 LPH. We can also provide various varieties of 100 LPH RO plants as per the technologies like RO plus UV plus UF plus mineral. We have till now provided many customized solutions to the clients for their best solutions. These are designed in accordance with the industrial standards and extensively used in the commercial and domestic sectors. In the end, I would like to conclude that we have offered the best cost of the RO water plant with of 100 LPS, and we have the best after services as well. If you have still any query regarding the 100 LPH RO water system, or if you are not able to contact the best RO water manufacturers in Delhi, then you can freely contact Netzel Water Solutions. Our customer services are open for 24/7. In the end, I would like to say don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.